Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to see blocked users in the Vivino app. First we have to open up the app. Here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just go into the top left corner, tap on the profile icon. Then we tap on settings. And then we scroll down, and here under settings we find privacy. And then we tap on blocked users. Here we will find the list of the users that we have blocked so far. Your list might be empty because you haven't blocked anyone yet, but you can use this function of the app as well. And yeah, this is where you can see these users. Maybe you can also take back the blocking. In essence, unblock them. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.